Spring cleaning for the girls. Fix that water up beautiful for them. Get all their beautiful hay. Top is clean, which I usually leave it dirty a little during the winter because that manure keeps the heat in. That's a trick for when it gets real cold, like down under 0. The manure produces heat. They are looking beautiful and handsome. That handsome guy right there. And that's their area. They got a beautiful area right there. Condominium for them. And there's the lake. Right there. Back to the chicks. To the chickens. What are you doing over there? We're out.